Real estate has been a reliable avenue for wealth creation, offering both long-term value appreciation and consistent income. However, with evolving market dynamics, shifting economic conditions, and new trends in 2024, investors must carefully evaluate whether real estate aligns with their financial goals. In this video, we will explore the state of real estate investment in 2024, addressing its potential, challenges, and opportunities. Let's get started with the video. Is real estate a good investment in 2024? The global economic landscape and its impact on real estate. The global economy in 2024 is marked by recovery from past crises, inflation control measures, and the influence of geopolitical events. Post-pandemic stabilization is underway, but central banks are still adjusting interest rates to manage inflation. These factors affect property prices, mortgage rates, and consumer behavior, making the economic context critical for real estate investors. In many regions, the demand for housing remains strong despite economic uncertainties, driven by population growth and urbanization. However, high borrowing costs are tempering market enthusiasm, creating a more balanced playing field for buyers and sellers. Why interest rates matter more than ever in 2024. Interest rates are a decisive factor in real estate investment. In 2024, while interest rates are higher than pre-pandemic levels, they have begun stabilizing, signaling potential market opportunities. For buyers with significant capital, this environment allows for better negotiating power on property prices. Higher rates also influence rental demand. Many potential homeowners delay purchases due to affordability concerns, which benefits landlords and investors in the rental market. Understanding the relationship between interest rates and real estate trends is essential for strategic investments this year. Rental market. Boom. A golden opportunity for investors. The rental market is thriving in 2024, driven by younger generations delaying homeownership and an increasing number of professionals opting for flexibility over permanence. Rental income remains a strong pillar of real estate investment, offering consistent cash flow. In particular, multifamily housing and co-living spaces are growing in popularity, providing lucrative opportunities for investors. Urban areas with high demand for rentals continue to yield significant returns, while suburban properties are attracting tenants seeking affordability and larger living spaces. The rise of sustainable and smart properties. Sustainability and technology are transforming the real estate landscape. In 2024, eco-friendly properties are no longer a niche market, but a mainstream expectation. Governments and environmental organizations are incentivizing energy-efficient buildings, while consumers prioritize homes with lower carbon footprints. Smart homes equipped with advanced technology for energy management, security, and convenience are in high demand. Investors focusing on these trends can tap into markets that promise strong future growth and long-term appreciation. Urban resurgence versus suburban appeal. Urban centers are experiencing a revival in 2024 as cultural and economic activities resume their pre-pandemic vigor. However, the suburban migration trend that emerged in recent years has not diminished entirely. Suburban properties continue to attract families, remote workers, and retirees seeking quieter lifestyles. For investors, the decision between urban and suburban investments depends on their target market. Urban properties offer higher rental yields and strong appreciation potential, while suburban homes provide steady demand and affordability for buyers. Commercial real estate, a sector on the rebound. Commercial real estate, which faced challenges during the pandemic, is rebounding in 2024. Sectors such as warehousing and logistics are thriving, fueled by the growth of e-commerce. Flexible office spaces are also gaining traction as hybrid work models redefine corporate needs. Retail spaces, once overshadowed by online shopping, are being reimagined as hubs for experiential shopping. These transformations make commercial real estate an attractive option for investors willing to diversify beyond residential properties. The role of technology in real estate investments. Technology is playing an increasingly prominent role in real estate. Investors are leveraging tools like artificial intelligence for property valuation and market analysis, blockchain for secure transactions, and virtual reality for remote property tours. Crowdfunding platforms have also democratized real estate investment, allowing smaller investors to participate in large-scale projects. Staying updated on technological innovations can give investors a significant advantage in 2024. Real estate as a hedge against inflation. In times of economic uncertainty, real estate has historically been a reliable hedge against inflation. As prices rise, property values and rental income tend to increase, preserving the purchasing power of investors. In 2024, with inflation still a concern in many economies, real estate remains an attractive option for safeguarding wealth. Investors should focus on markets with high demand and limited supply to maximize the inflation hedging benefits of their investments. The risks of real estate investment in 2024. Despite its many advantages, real estate investment is not without risks. Market volatility, high borrowing costs, and illiquidity are some of the challenges investors face. Property maintenance and unforeseen expenses can also impact profitability. Understanding the local market and conducting thorough due diligence are essential for mitigating risks. Investors should also consider diversifying their portfolios to reduce exposure to specific market fluctuations. How to make informed real estate investment decisions. Real estate investment success in 2024 depends on careful planning and strategic decision-making. Here are some tips for prospective investors. Research the market, analyze trends, demand, and pricing in your target area. Assess financial goals. Determine whether you seek short-term income, long-term appreciation, or a mix of both. Leverage technology. Use modern tools for property evaluation and management. Partner with experts. Consult real estate agents, financial advisors, or investment firms for guidance. By combining these strategies, investors can navigate the complexities of the 2024 market and capitalize on its opportunities. For more videos, like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching the video.